Hey guys, let's continue with the task project. So let's go to database. So we have so far the task table, but if we look at here, we have the owner, right? Let's have a user table as well, and also the entity. Let's start with the entity first. And the model, I'm going to create a user. Then it's going to be struct ID and username. It's going to be string. I'm going to have a tasks as well. So I'm going to put the task here, bunch of tasks. What else? So let's go to task a little bit. What about getting rid of this owner for now? Instead of that, let's have a user and user as well. Let's make them pointer here as well. And I'm going to also add created at. And this is going to be, time. Okay, there are lots of changes. Let's gonna start applying them. I'm gonna close everything. It's already started to complain. So while saving, we're gonna, instead of that, we're gonna have user ID, right? But yeah, we have to refactor here as well because, okay, let's go and not this. I have to see the keyboard sometimes, and here, let's create a migration, and it's gonna be create task table, right? No, it's users, right? By the way, give me a second. Go migrations. So I'm gonna put it here. README. Migration CLI. I'm gonna push it so you can install this as well. It's the binary I'm using to create or to manage the migrations completely. And so let's continue. We created already the migration. So we're gonna create table users. ID gonna be serial and primary key. And username will be varchar 50, not null. Yeah, this should be it. And here, drop table if exists. It's going to be users. Okay, let's migrate. Let's run the migration. Right, now we have the user table, right? Let's recheck it. Yeah, we have the users table, but we still need another migration. Extension directory migrations. It is gonna be delete column owner, add column user ID to, and created at 2 tasks. It's a long name, but yeah, we clearly indicate what are we gonna do. All right, let's write the migration. So we're gonna alter table tasks, and we're gonna drop column owner. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Secondly, add column user ID, right? So we're gonna alter table tasks again. This time add column user ID, which is going to be int. Let's add another column, which is created at. It's going to be timestamp and not null. Default value will be current timestamp. We don't need to put a value, so here like this. And lastly, we are gonna alter table tasks again, and we're gonna add constraint. And it's gonna be tasks, user ID, foreign key, and we're gonna put foreign key. It's gonna be user ID, and we're gonna put the reference as user's ID. And on delete will be cascade, right? Okay, that's good. Let's copy this and go to the drop. So what do we do here? We're gonna alter table tasks. We're gonna add column owner, varchar. Let's put 50. I think it is correct, right? Let's go to first one. 50 and not null. True. So I'm going to go back here. $50 and not null. Secondly, yeah, we're going to just drop column user ID. And we're going to also drop this one, create that. And yeah, I think this goes automatically when we delete the user ID here. And I'm coming here and running again. Let's see the database. So if you go to tasks, we see user ID is empty. So we have to add in the next one. I'm going to delete this one anyway. And we have to create at as well. Okay, our model and migrations is ready. Let's do the refactoring in the next one.